Mark.
Pa-crown, tapos with pamark ng skull ang color nila. Kung kaya.
Yun, si WD yung...
Okay. Asan si... Okay.
Si Veil ata ang color nila o si Nutmeg.
Tapos na ako. Okay, come to me. Okay, clear comes. Yung dalawa kong support. Dalawang root one, clear comes muna, clear comes.
May delay
Kung
ba
may root
itong
bounce,
spectator? May delay?
wala. H2 defensive root bound ka. Ay, hindi. Mag-offensive root bound ka. Tapos even offensive. Oh, do. Okay, push in. Walk in, boys. Walk in. Look at the choke. Look at the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dodge clap. At the choke. Push them. Push them, boys. Push them. Drop UD ahead of the choke. Come northwest. Catch low ka. If you're low, come back. Come northeast, come back to the center.
Ano bang gamit ni?
Ano ba yun?
Sino gasaan?
Sino yung up tank mo? Sino yung up tank mo isa?
Si, ano?
Ano Adjen? Fist of Monkey. Sige.
Hindi ko nakita yung color nila eh. Nakapag-engage ba yung color nila?
Oo. Nag-engage na.
Kamis, boys. Kamis. Come back to the center. Healers. Don't play inside of the Zerg. Go outside. Huwag yan sa center. Madadamay kayo sa club. Ano yung sabi ko kanina? Sino ang offensive? Dot con ko? Stage 2 offensive ko, si Ben ang defensive, okay? Yorick, life curse mo for engage. You purge yung shield or start na. Okay, spread more. Start rolling. Defensive, look northwest by the stairs in 3, 2, 1. Attack lam. Okay, push them northwest. Come down the stairs.
May gid sila.
Push them.
Ayun na.
Defensive. Heal the party at the stairs. More heals on the stairs. Nice. We're gonna counter 10 seconds. Walk in southeast. Walk in southeast, boys. Walk in southeast. Chase them. Spread as you walk in. Okay, we're gonna engage at the stairs in 3, 2, 1. Damage on the clump, boys. Okay, you spread now. You spread again. Come back at the center, boys. Come back at the center, boys. Kill this Primo.
Okay, mag-roll lang ganyan. Fred.
Okay, so
Come back at the center, no? Si Kratos ba to? Yung Kratos natin?
Hindi.
Gago. Si Kratos yan. Sa ano?
Stop down.
Spread. Sige na. Hold. Ano ba meron pang support dito? Akira, change to DPS roll.
Buti walang nangaaway sa'yo, Arby.
Call change roll. DPS.
Kaya wala nang
Kaya ako ang dami kong support.
block mo lang pag tina-trash talk ka. Ayun lang yun.
Sorry.
Pwede pinapa-entry ata tayo. Naghihintay sila.
Kasama sila.
Pwede kayo mag-offensive.
Nasa west. Dito.
Northwest? Okay, push them.
Dismount na.
Okay, spread here. Come down the stairs and spread. Def tanks, can you make space for us? Def tanks only. Make space. Put pressure. My brawlers start walking in. Healers, position kay west. We're gonna engage deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lumatak lang. Okay, come back west. Disengage, boys. Disengage. Come back to me, boys. You too far. May DPS too far. Too far. Okay, walk northeast. We're gonna go northeast side.
Wala nang engage.
Come up the stairs. Come up the stairs. Okay, look west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at the clock. More damage. Good fucking job, boys. Good job, boys. Good job. Case them. Do it all. No. Sige. Come southeast.
Oy.
Hindi. Come to me, boys. Come to me.
Pwede naman palit, really.
Ba tayo ulit?
Later round 2. Later round 2.
Tapos
this?
Yan.
Bakit bawal magpalit?
Wala akong pang cosplay, lugi.
Kingmaker na lang.
May nag-record ba na ito, my boys?
Okay.
Record ako.
Marami. Marami.
Popost ko sa Facebook to.
Yun.
Wag.
Nag-group pa talaga to si Debbie. Ang ingay ng Facebook din eh.
Siyempre, ako to eh.
Ano mo, Jonel?
Wala pa silang napapatay Huwag kayong huwag kayong...
Unang mamatay.
Perfect na dito.
Wala pala tayong realm breaker.
Chill.
Handle puts lang agad.
Spike, may spike kayo pero wala kayong...
Meron akong damnation.
May
Asan sila?
nga tayo.
Nasa east side ata. So masilipin ka.
Ikaw ba sila may inspect?
May inspect,
Oo. Inspectator kayo.
Maraming to, pre.
Ay, nasa
Nasaan
northwest.
Okay, come back. Let them come up. Come southeast. Come south.
Gusto mo sila umakyat?
Ayun.
Let them come up. Let them come up. You stay south of me. Let them come up. Boys, let them take space.
Charlene, sa northeast ka lang.
Give way.
No engage.
Give way. Ayan.
Chill. Yan. Okay, nag-defensive na. No, tapos na. Guys, I told you, come back to me. Let them come up. Come south.
Give space. Parky, bigyan nyo ng bigyan nyo ng space.
Para
Let
makapasok
them
na
come up, boys. Let them come up.
Gustukin nyo.
Rating sila sa north.
Ayan nyo lang.
Takot mga to. Kaya pumasok. Crazy keeper.
Ay na, naglalog.
Looking yata, looking.
Kunin yan yung backline mo with.
Sure. Okay, got you. Oh, you spread more east, boys. Spread more east.
East side kayo,
Right,
east side.
engaging. Okay, look west by the crystal in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the club. Big club. Chase them northwest. Gagalayan, no? Chase them northwest, boys. Chase them northwest. Kill them all. Kill them all, boys. Chase. Spicy, 2 par.
Baka na. Mamabit kayo.
2 par. Spicy, Harvey. Come northeast. Come back northeast now. Let them escape. Come back southeast.
Gago, bilisan nyo pa, DPS. Dapat airtime, burahin nyo na.
Sound sim.
Hindi na nakakapalagid.
May HOG kayo, airtime, dapat burahin nyo na yung ano.
Iisip ko.
Oo, airtime pa lang. Paki-predict yung
Naikot pa lang.
Club.
Huwag nyo nang hintayin magdikit-dikit. Dapat airtime,
May
burahin nyo
demon sila no?
Okay, come southeast.
Kaya pala bumabalik.
Nabibait yung demon nila, madaling mabait.
Ayoko na mag-ano.
Stay lang kayo southeast. Mag-pick ako. Pag okay nila.
PJ, pwede mong poke ng first skill yan. Poke mo lang. Yan, duguin mo yung ano nila. Yung lalo na yung taon. Pwede yun, paduguin yun.
Silence.
Ayun na, nasa stairs yung healers.
Engaging yan.
Okay sila pa engage.
Ano, BTVD?
Ingat. Ayun na, otok lang sa gitna.
Okay sila pa
Ayun na,
engage, ha?
engaging.
Heals on the front line. Nice defensive. We're gonna counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lokatak lang. For damage.
Magpot ko.
Case them
Ayun lang yan.
northeast.
Binubuhat kayo ni Akiro.
Okay na kapatid ko, ginugulo ako.
Bagay, wala namang...
Okay,
kulang-
let them skip. Come back at the center.
Nagigit sila.
Yan.
Yo,
Wala
pre,
ng DPS yan.
ito lang,
Wala ng DPS yan.
Wala na palang kalaban dun.
Ano ba mga DPS mo? Wala ka palang ano eh.
Pro ayos to eh.
Hindi ka talaga makaka one shot with...
Walang debuff.
Hindi, tsaka DPS mo, Orsign, Halberg.
Oo nga.
Overall. Yung ng Halberd, maganda sana kung Astral na lang din or Infinity.
Meron ako Infinity.
Isa lang infinite yung hindi pa ko mag-recall.
Kulang pa yun.
Tsaka
Yan, mga
nakakapag ko.
Pag mababa na kasi ang damage ng Halberd, matagal kumagat
Ano, wait. Gusto
ng
mo ba ng choke fight o open ulit to?
Regroup sa akin. Come to me, come to me. Come to me, come to me, come to me. Come to me, come to me. Come to me.
Ata sila
Comes out, comes out.
nakaka-recruit.
Okay, Ben.
Comes out,
Nagiging
comes
sila
out,
kay
comes
Ben.
out. What the fuck?
Tingnan
Okay,
mo,
push ah. We make a push, we make a push. We practice defense. Push boys, push. Come north us, come north us, come north us, come north us. Come north us, come north us. Just ready your defensive. Just
Ayun na,
ready your
engaging ah.
defensive.
Engaging na.
Walk in, boys. Walk in, walk in, walk
Engaging.
in.
Look.
Walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in, boys. Walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in. Pina-counter. Hold. 3, 2, 1.
Ano, one shot na.
Center, the center, the center, the center.
Ano, busin na naman ni Akiro yan.
Yes, boys. Yes, Hero. Hero, low. Hero. Somebody drop Judy at the stairs, northwest.
Focus na
Walking, boys. Walking. Walking sila. Heals on the front line. 10
Itong
seconds. 10 seconds. Sign up for your counter. 10 seconds. Back.
Skill.
Dami na ako.
Gago, di na kaisa. Di na kaisa mo.
Sa
Gago.
inyo.
Bago, hindi na tayo kakalaroin ng mga yun.
Oh my.
Gago, di na
Boring
kaisa.
lang natin.
Wildcard, disband, ay ano?
Ay,
Round
yun.
2, round